Hello guys, we are back with another video made specially for students who are applying for universities abroad this year. So what I have felt or even experienced is that almost every one of us struggles in what to exactly write in a personal statement or a personal essay. When I was writing a personal statement for my own application, I searched a lot on YouTube for personal essay tips, and being honest, I did find some videos that were helpful, but still those videos didn't properly help me in writing the essay or wipe off my confusion regarding this matter. So I have prepared a few points that will hopefully help you in framing a convincing yet straightforward essay. The tips I will be sharing are for a generic personal essay and not for a topic based personal essay. So if you're looking to apply to US and writing a general personal essay, or if you're applying to UK and writing a personal statement for it, then this video has definitely been made for you. So I have an idea that I call the 3I rule. It is based on the first 3 paragraphs. It consists of 3 I's. The first I stands for introduction, the second means inspiration, and the third is interest. What this means is that in the first paragraph, you will be giving introduction about the field or the subject you wish to major in. You don't need to give a detailed intro about it. However, it is totally up to you regarding how much you plan to write. But I would suggest not to write more than 5 sentences or 8 lines, because we are not writing the essay to describe the subject, but we are here to explain why we are choosing that subject. In the next paragraph, you will be writing about your inspiration. Mind it, you don't need to write about a childhood experience which convinced you to choose a particular subject, or you don't need to mention anything such as it was your childhood dream to go into this field, even if it really is a childhood dream. The university admission teams are sick and tired of reading such essays because they have been overused to an immeasurable extent. Instead, I would suggest that you write about a recent event or incident that led you to choosing that particular subject or field. Next is paragraph 3. In this paragraph, you will be talking about your area of interest in that field and why do you have interest in that specific area. Then you may add some more detail like you are determined to gain higher education and be successful in this field. This will help demonstrate your determination and eagerness to study this subject. Now let's move on to paragraph 4. So now in this paragraph, you should write about what your final goal in the field is. For example, you may write, "My final goal is to create a software that helps other people talk overseas for free without an internet connection." Or any example you find suitable to according your field, you may add. Then in the following paragraph, you will talk about what you are studying currently and what subjects you have taken in high school or college, and how these subjects will help you in the field that you will be majoring in. Also, if you are presently studying on a scholarship, you should also mention that. Then in the last paragraph, you will add whether you work or not. However, that is totally optional. After that, you will talk about your extracurricular activities that you may have taken. Then you will talk about your hobbies and how your hobbies may possibly help you in your chosen field. And then in the end, you may conclude with a sentence like, "I am determined to earn a degree in software engineering and wish to become a successful software engineer." So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys found these tips useful. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like below. We will be back with another video real soon.